Right there in the sky. See that? That's the government. That's a government drone. I can hear it. You can hear it. The UFOs do not sound like this. You see how he just turned off his lights? It's because he went, no, there he is. Because he went, where'd he go? Okay, he's right there at the top of the trees. There he is. Top of the trees. That's a government drone hovering over the lake. You could hear it. You can't hear the UFOs. Yeah. See, they go back over there, and then they come right back. I'm going to pause for a second. No, I'm going to keep it on this guy. Let's see if he goes behind the trees. Yeah. See, they drop down behind the trees over there. They have some kind of launching pad over there or something. There's a national park over there. And here's another one out back. This is a different one. I'm on your side! Just please don't go over my property. And let me know what's going on. I seem to be the only one that has this problem with UFOs following me. Thank you. So you can see them through the trees. Yeah. Well, they're respecting not going over the property anymore. It's my parents' property. And here comes the other one. He's coming back, right? Let's see if it's as loud as the other one was. Yep, this is them. They're watching at the same UFOs that I'm watching. And they're not giving me any information or anything. Nobody's telling me a thing. So I'm going to let this guy go. I don't care. We've seen enough of him, right? He's going to come to my property and then veer off to my left, his right. You hear that up there? Not the prick.